In this video, I'll show you how to effectively list your Microsoft Office skills on your resume, share tips to highlight your expertise, and ensure you catch the recruiter's attention. Microsoft Office skills are essential in today's job market and can make a big difference in landing your dream job. Let's get started. First, start by assessing your proficiency in the core Microsoft Office tools. These include Microsoft Word for word processing, Excel for data analysis and spreadsheets, PowerPoint for creating presentations, Outlook for managing emails, and Teams for collaboration and communication. Knowing your proficiency level, like basic, intermediate, or advanced. This will help you to enhance your resume. I suggest you to be honest about your skill level to avoid issues during the interview or on the job. If you're not sure of your skill level, use online assessments or tutorials to gauge your expertise. Next is, place your Microsoft Office skills strategically on your resume. I suggest you to put skills and experience in different sections of a resume. Include them under a dedicated skills section for quick visibility, and incorporate them into your job descriptions under the experience section, demonstrating how you've used these tools in your previous roles. For examples, skills section, advanced Excel, pivot tables, VLOOKUP, macros, Microsoft Word, formatting, mail merge, report. Experience section. Developed detailed financial models using Excel, including advanced formulas and data visualization. Then, use action-oriented descriptions. Focus on action-oriented descriptions that highlight your achievements with Microsoft Office tools. Instead of simply stating proficient in Microsoft Excel, write streamlined monthly reporting processes by creating automated Excel dashboards, reducing preparation time by 40%. I will give you some tips. Use measurable achievements to stand out. And avoid generic terms like knowledgeable and opt for specific tasks or accomplishments. Next is match your resume to the job. Customize your Microsoft Office skills to match the job description. If the position requires data analysis, emphasize your Excel expertise. For administrative roles, highlight your proficiency in Outlook and Word for organizing tasks and managing communication. And the last is showcase certifications, if any. If you've completed certifications like Microsoft Office Specialist MOS, list them under a certification section or next to your skills. Certifications demonstrate verified expertise and separate your resume from other candidates. Remember, always use precise terms like advanced Excel, data analysis, and pivot tables instead of just Excel. Then highlight transferable skills, such as collaboration in Microsoft Teams or creating visually engaging presentations in PowerPoint. And keep your resume concise and focus on the most relevant skills for the role. With these tips, your Microsoft Office skills will shine on your resume, helping you land that job interview. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more career advice and tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your job hunt.